multi-utility tactical transport. Basically, it's there to give you options so that if you can take kit, equipment, supplies downrange where otherwise you couldn't. EV, they're very quiet, and so you don't hear the engine sound. This yellow light right here will be the indicator for that. So the
of this, what exactly is that?
Much more lower level. The other really cool part about it is that all the communication is through the tether itself, so it's all completely secure.
So what you see going on behind me is the Urban 5th generation Antex. What it's designed to do is link platoons and squad level infantrymen with technology. This will enable us to better equip us in an offensive or defensive scenario, and it really exposes the Marines to the different technologies that are out there.
The most important part in this white box in the middle.
Yes,
All
yes.
is,
That's what.
This is kind of good practice for the guys.
We're testing out new technology, kind of reviewing it, getting an understanding of it, and seeing if we can implement it into the, hopefully into the fleet in the future years.
For the side, links and cases collect.
And to use the drone, you
You have to move through this plaza right here. You have to take this plaza. Take a look.
Then you have to press twice. And then the ballistic computer will make it safe, everything safe.
So somebody could plug in a lat long or a targeting system off that, and then you can have this light out. So we put a day filter on there. There's 2 filters you get in the kit. There's a regular, put your nods back down when you want to use them. So it's up to the operator kind of what you want to use or whatever your team wants to use. You can also bring, now we're using 4 AA's. We can extend that, build that out, or just bring 2 packs.
Got it.
So there's a pack in the back. It has your module on there, your computer.
Has their own Android phone and wants to play too.
Mast, that one's right outside the white tent over here. He's up on a mast. Okay, so that's our radio. So because we're inside the GPS's, that's all you do. Push the talks right here. All right, guys. So quick down and dirty on the radio since you guys are ready to use it.
Oh, you tap it and you add it on.
With the laser range plate, so you can snap a laser on there.
I mean, you make a bang literally, so you.
That's a safety.
Yeah.
Dude, if you